So over here you can see that I got the table of database right here, but let's say I want to see all of the contents right here as a list. In that case, you can go ahead and click on the plus button right here just like this, and then go ahead and simply choose list. Once you do that, you can actually see the list of the contents right here of all of the tasks that is happening, and you can see which ones are done, in progress, and so forth right here. You can also go ahead and add in another content right here. Apart from that, if you want to add in a new list, you can go around over here and press slash right here and type in list just like this. If I were to go around over here onto list view in database, then you can actually see a blank database right here, and then you can go ahead and list out the things that you need to do. Like let's say for example drawing, and I'm going to go around and say storyboarding right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say scripting just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and add in lists and add in tags if you want as well. Let's say for example I'm going to go around and say V1 right here just like this, and you can go ahead and add in tags right here for version 1 and so forth just like that as well. You can go ahead and click on individual elements and add in properties to the database elements as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and create a database list inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.